Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create farm account in Doomsday Last Survivors. Ever thought about having a second account just to give your main account a boost? That's basically what a farm account is in Doomsday. It's another account you control that can help gather resources, join the same clan, or support your main character. To set one up, start creating a new account and then head into your commander info at the top left corner. From there, go into settings, then account, and select change account. Next, you want to match the region of your main account. Zoom out on the world map, tap the globe icon in the bottom right, and note the region number like number 824 in my case. Log into your new farm account, select the same region, and now it can start supporting your main account. It's a neat trick because it helps you accelerate progress without breaking any rules, and it's also useful for clan activities where multiple accounts can contribute. Just remember to manage both carefully so you're not spending resources too thin. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.